Ito yan. Oh, where is my luggage? Oh, I see it na. Is this, oh no, this is not mine. Nag-ano kayo? Nag-try kayo ng milk tea dito?
Dun sa John's Fair kagabi ang daming food.
Saan doon? Nagsakay kayo? Lakad lang.
Nagsakay kami. Ganito din.
Wala. Oh, this one. The candy. 139. 139. 165. Oh. Oh. So we're here in the grocery because we're going to get some pasalubong, so something like that. So that's it because it's a grocery, so some like candies or something.
所以冰沙是在那边买的。我觉得冰沙可以，因为昨天看的够多。
Okay, nandito na tayo. Ano kaya dito? Mga sisi. Ano pala dito? Mga sisi. Oh. Ano pala? O diba? Oh, ang ganda nito. Oh. Kita lang ang Gentle and Old Navy. Yay! My birthday for myself. Hang on, I will take a video.
Yeah.
The two winners of Emar Flex Multi-Cooker.
Ano ba yung lemonade?
Para alam natin marami.
So, ganito ba?
Maraming bumibili para alam natin mas
打发他们的老板。现在对。
Masarap. Libre.
Yeah, it's all mine around. What do you mean with
80?
Yeah.
How many?
2.
Bring everything start from 200 baht only until 2 million with the diamond, with the gray, with the everything in there. We're gonna go to see how it's beautiful in there. Okay. Okay, ka. This is, you look at the right hand side. Your right hand side, this is we call Democracy Monument. Do you know democracy? Our country is we under the democracy. Also we have the king. Also we have the prime minister. Yeah, we have prime minister. This is center of the Thailand. We call kilometer number 0. You know kilometer?
Yes.
Yeah, this is number 0. When we count from here to Phuket, Chiang Mai, we count from here 0 and go to there 1 kilometer, 100 kilometer. Go to Philippines 2,000 kilometer. We count from here. That is kilo number 0. Okay. Okay, and this is normally the China.